Welcome, Hilna. Can you please introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Hilna.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Long day?
Yeah, super busy, but I survived.
Why are you not married?
Still waiting for the right person.
You free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm totally free after lunch.
Want to grab coffee?
Sure, I'd love that.
How's life treating you?
Pretty good, can't complain.
You on Instagram?
Yeah, I use it a lot.
Do you like traveling?
Absolutely, I love exploring new places.
Where's your favorite hangout spot?
I like the rooftop cafe near the mall.
You working these days?
Yeah, I just started a new job.
Do you like reading books?
Yeah, I'm into novels and stories.
How's the weather outside?
It's nice and breezy, perfect evening.
Are you good at cooking?
A little, I make pasta really well.
What music do you listen to?
Mostly pop and a bit of soft rock.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Hanya, 24, with a bachelor's in nursing and 2 years of experience in hospitals and clinics.
Why did you choose nursing as a profession?
I love helping people and making a difference in patient care.
Tell me about your previous work experience.
I worked at Berlin General Hospital, assisting doctors, monitoring patients, and administering medications.
What are your main strengths?
Compassionate, patient, and detail-oriented.
What is your biggest weakness?
I sometimes take extra time to double-check tasks, but it ensures patient safety.
Describe a challenging patient situation and how you handled it.
A patient was anxious before surgery. I stayed with them, explained procedures, and calmed their nerves.
How do you handle stress or emergencies at work?
I stay calm, prioritize patients, and manage emergencies step by step.
How do you ensure patient safety and care quality?
I follow English speaking practice.
Can you tell me your name?
Sure. My name is Emma.
How old are you right now?
I'm 22 years old.
Where do you come from?
I come from Italy.
What do you do in life?
I'm studying at university.
Which subject do you like the most?
I really like learning English.
Do you like traveling to new places?
Yes, I love exploring different places.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is spaghetti.
Do you drink coffee every day?
No, I usually drink tea.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball with my friends.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I like watching movies in my free time.
Do you enjoy music?
Yes, music makes me feel happy.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Olivia.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
When do you normally wake up?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m.
Which color makes you happy?
Yellow makes me feel happy.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read storybooks at night.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
Do you make your bed after waking?
Yes, I always make my bed.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning?
I drink tea most of the time.
How do you go to work?
I usually go by bus.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
Do you like your work or study?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
What do you do at lunchtime?
I eat lunch and relax a little.
Do you take a nap in the afternoon?
Sometimes I take a short nap.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
What do you do after coming home?
I rest and have some tea.
Do you watch TV or use your phone?
Yes, I watch TV or use my phone.
How often do you meet your friends?
I meet them once or twice a week.
Thank you for coming. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Lucia. I recently completed my bachelor's in business administration, and I am excited to start my career in a professional office environment.
Why do you want this job?
This role fits my skills in organization and communication. I also want to gain practical experience and grow with a good company.
What are your strengths?
I manage time well, communicate clearly, and work comfortably in a team. I can also handle pressure without losing focus.
What is your weakness?
Sometimes I pay too much attention to details, but I am learning to balance speed and accuracy.
What about your computer skills?
I am confident with Microsoft Office, emails, and data entry software. I also learn new tools quickly.
Why should we hire you?
I am hardworking, reliable, and eager to learn. I believe I can contribute to your team and improve with experience. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English to improve my communication.
Where are you from?
I am from France.
What is your name?
My name is Emma.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Are you a student or do you work?
I am a student.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play badminton.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading storybooks.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a teacher.
Tell me about yourself.
I am Alex. I am honest, hardworking, and enjoy helping customers. I want to grow my career in banking.
Why do you want this job?
I want to work in a bank to help people and learn new skills.
What is your strength?
I am careful, organized, and pay attention to details.
What is your weakness?
Sometimes I take more time to finish tasks, but I am improving.
How would you handle an upset customer?
I would stay calm, listen to their problem, and solve it politely.
Can you work under pressure?
Yes, I stay focused and finish my work on time.
Tell me about a problem you solved.
A customer's transaction failed. I checked carefully and fixed it quickly.
Why should we hire you?
I am honest, reliable, and willing to learn.
How do you keep customer information safe?
I follow bank rules and never share private information.
Do you like working alone or with a team?
I like both. I can work alone or support my team.
Where are you from?
I am from Germany.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Which city do you live in?
I live in Berlin.
How old are you?
I am 28 years old.
What do you do in Germany?
I work as a teacher.
Do you like living in Germany?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
What is your favorite German food?
I love eating pretzels and schnitzel.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English fluently.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is cycling and photography.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling around Europe.
What is your favorite season in Germany?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I go to cafes and meet friends.
Do you enjoy German festivals?
Yes, especially Oktoberfest.
What language do you speak at home?
I speak German at home.
Do you like music?
Yes, I enjoy listening to pop and classical music.
Have you ever visited another country?
Yes, I have been to France and Italy. What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you play any sport?
Yes, I play football.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is John.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee more than tea.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a pilot.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling a lot.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Are you on social media?
Yes, I use Instagram daily.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I like cats and dogs.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What makes you happy?
I'm focusing on my career.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to open a new bank account.
May I know your full name, please?
My name is Anna Muller.
Where are you from, Miss Muller?
I'm from Germany. I recently moved here for work.
Do you have your passport and visa documents with you?
Yes, I have my German passport and work visa.
What is your current local address?
I live in Paris, France.
What type of account would you like to open?
I would like to open a current account.
What is your occupation or source of income?
I am working as a software engineer in a multinational company.
How much would you like to deposit to start the account?
I will deposit 500 euros.
Do you need an ATM card?
Yes, I need an ATM card.
Would you like to enable online banking?
Yes, I would like to enable online banking.
Do you have any proof of address, like a utility bill?
Yes, I have my utility bill as proof of address.
Do you want a checkbook for your account?
Yes, I would like a checkbook.
Is there anything else you would like to add before we finalize your account?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.